So last week, we learned about creating classes, and we worked with private and public fields. And this week, we are going to be learning about properties. And properties um, basically create a public-facing variable that we can work with. And behind the scenes, properties create the get and the set methods for the hidden private variable. So that's what you're going to be learning about. As far as coding, it makes our coding go much faster, and it's actually a little bit simpler, but you do need to understand what's going on behind the scenes. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at. So as far as the reading assignment goes, you're going to be reading the second half of chapter 9. Okay? And I do have another video, not quite as lengthy as last week, but it is a little over an hour. So what I have done is I have kind of broken down what is covered in the different areas of the video. So if you're reading through this and you're struggling, maybe understanding, what is regular property syntax, um, this is the place in the video where you need to go to hear an explanation of that. Right? So I've kind of broken it all down for you. And once you finish going through the examples, reading the chapter, you're going to do the second understanding check and complete the chapter 9 lab assignment. Okay, so last week we worked on the first 3 exercises, and this week we will be working on the rest. And for quite a few of them, I'm actually giving you code, and so you will be kind of modifying the code that I give you. So even though there's 4 exercises, there's not going to be a ton of typing with these. Okay, so the lab assignment does have a video that goes through those last 4 exercises. You can see the video is not quite as long as last week. And that's because even though there's 4 exercises, I don't think it's going to take you all that long to complete them. Okay, so this will wrap up classes and objects. And if you do have any questions about what we went through this week, you can see that all the examples that are linked into the ebook I have listed here, and I have quite a few additional resources for you. So these are just sites that will give you another explanation of the material that was in the chapter. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask for help if you're confused about anything, because it is really important that you guys understand this. And I am happy to meet with you and go over anything that you find confusing.